Welcome back, children. Today we are here again for the value education class, and we are going to start lesson 17, polluting the air. Children, it is a very important thing that we should understand that we are polluting the air. Now, what exactly the pollution means? Something which is bad and getting added to the atmosphere. This is the lesson which is there in your value education book, which I am going to describe. So the smoke which is coming, this is a bad thing. It is basically carbon dioxide. It is a mixture of gases which contains nitrogen also, nitrogen dioxide also, sulfur dioxide also, carbon dioxide also, and these gases are emitted from the industries and making the air polluted. So something which is bad and getting added up to the environment and harms it, that means it is polluting the environment. We can even see that from these companies, from these industries, the garbage is also thrown in the rivers flowing next to them, which is again harmful to the aquatic life of that river. In the river, if the plants and fishes are living, so they are known as aquatic plants and animals, and these get affected by the pollutants. This is also harmful chemicals which are getting out of this factory, and these chemicals again harm and pollute the river too. You can see what the condition of our world has become just because of the pollution produced by the factories, industries, even the vehicles. You can see that the cars and the cutting of trees. Children, as you all know, that the trees produce oxygen. The trees produce oxygen, and we human beings breathe oxygen. Without oxygen we cannot survive. The air which we breathe in is known as oxygen. So oxygen is very important for us. But what we are doing, we are cutting trees, establishing these factories and industries, and also we cannot even walk. We need a vehicle to move from one place to another, which again pollutes the environment. है ना, आज हम पैदल कहीं नहीं आ जा पाते. We need some or the other vehicle. है ना. People also make food. Earlier people used to make, अब तो बहुत कम ऐसा देखा जाता है, but still in villages this is the traditional way of cooking. And see how much smoke is being emitted from this chulha, if you call it in that traditional language. कितना ज़्यादा smoke निकल रहा है. Children, we should always try to spread awareness even among our friends, among our neighbors, that they should not produce this harmful gas, because this contains carbon dioxide, और हमें carbon dioxide नहीं चाहिए. Which gas do we need? We need oxygen, है ना. So we should try to produce more and more oxygen. And how can we produce more and more oxygen? By planting trees. By planting trees we can contribute to more and more oxygen. So we should try to plant more and more trees instead of burning the things like this. And I can understand that in today's era industrialization is very much important, and without industries we cannot live. But yes, we should try to maintain the balance of the atmosphere. So we should try to plant more and more trees. You can also see that at the garbage dump they set fire to the garbage, and again see how much black smoke is there, which again contributes to the pollution of the environment, and we people get affected the most. So instead of throwing the trash, we can throw the trash in the recycle bins if it can be recycled, or we can throw the kitchen dump we can collect it and we can make it compost. अगर वो सड़ता है तो हमने आपको लास्ट वीडियो में भी शायद बताया था that we can dig a pit, एक गड्ढा खोद सकते हैं और उसमें जो किचन वेस्ट है that means the peeling of the vegetables, fruits, है ना, तो that those things we can put in the pit and that will be converted into compost which can be used as a fertilizers for your garden. And we can even recycle the things which cannot be decomposed, जिनको हम सड़ा नहीं सकते उनको हम recycle कर सकते हैं. So we should not set fire but we should try to reuse, recycle like that, right? So here is the exercise which is based on the lesson which we have discussed today. The very first fill in the blanks is dash means to make something bad. I started with this only. Pollution means to make something bad. The next blank means the first answer is pollution. पहले का answer pollution है. Pollution means to make something bad. Now the next fill in the blanks. If a person does not get dash for 5 minutes, he will die. I again told this thing to you. If we are not going to get oxygen for 5 minutes, we will die. अगर हमको 5 मिनट के लिए भी ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिला, हम तो कहते हैं 3 मिनट्स के लिए भी अभी अगर हमें नहीं मिला, then we are going to die. The third is roughly speaking, smoke is carbon dioxide. I explained to you that it is a mixture of gases, but the mostly emitted gas is carbon dioxide. So that is why roughly speaking, smoke is carbon dioxide is the correct answer for this fill in the blanks. The next one is the fourth source of air pollution is burning waste. जो हम burn कर देते हैं ना इतना ज़्यादा waste, this also contributes to air pollution. The fourth answer is waste. Do not allow the cleaners to burn dash garbage. Garbage को हमें नहीं burn करना चाहिए. And we should not allow the cleaners also to do that. We should not allow the neighbors also to do that. ठीक है? So the last answer is garbage. Children, we will be discussing the true and false also. The very first true and false is, if we throw garbage into water, we purify it. No, we are going to pollute it. So this is a false statement. The next statement is, we all need to breathe air to get oxygen for the body. ठीक है, हमें breathe in करना पड़ता है ताकि हमें body के लिए oxygen मिले, right? We breathe in oxygen. So this is the correct statement. This is a true statement. The next statement is, smoke is actually nitrogen. No, smoke is actually carbon dioxide. So third statement is a false statement. The next statement, smoke pollutes the atmosphere. Yes, the smoke pollutes the atmosphere and increases the air pollution. So fourth statement is a true statement. The last statement is, we should not burn garbage. हमें ना खुद जलाना चाहिए ना किसी को जलाने देना चाहिए, right? So this is again a true statement. So with this, children, I hope you got the message that how much oxygen is important for us, and we should try to plant more and more trees and contribute less to the air pollution, and stop the cleaners and our neighbors, even our elders, from burning the garbage. With this message, I would stop here. Thank you, children, and have a good day.